Locksmith is good. Oh.
Yeah,
Right.
I don't think he's that good, but okay.
Well, like if you want to break into safes, it's really good. 30 criminals rescued my mole. Mole is grateful. ...
No time to talk.
No time to talk. Alright, let's just skip through everything then. Alright, I have to steal some passports. With smoke bombs. My mouse has disappeared again.
That door.
Darn it. Oh look, it's a prison. You can't get through that chain link fence. Oh, you can see you through the doors, Sean. Alright, so it looks like the only way to get into the building, Sean, unless you're the mole, is to go through the front door. Or I guess the back door. Wait, Sean. Wee. Oh, dude, he can see us. Ah. Help, Sean. Open the ladder. Okay.
Dude, I don't remember how this game works.
Sean,
Wait.
just hang out here for a while.
Yeah, it's just like count this on both sides. So that's just
Now we're in. Quick, hide in this bush. Sean,
what?
I'm in the bush. I'm like the Alaskan bush
I
people.
did. I need help.
Do you? Well, what if I'm already somewhere else?
Man, get it. There's a dude right there.
I'm getting lots of money, Sean. Like you don't even
Yeah,
know
there's
how
a
much
lot of money over here.
Come on.
If only you were the.
Dear, I just set off the alarm.
Just be careful. Now the guards up here aren't very concerned, and now they're all gonna start coming towards you. So.
All right, well, I guess you're safe then. All right, they're freaking out over here, but the alarm should turn off pretty soon.
They're gonna turn it off.
Right. All right. Now that everything's calmed down, let's go and get some more money. Oh, hey there, buddy. Look, I turned this thing off. Alright, let's go. Wait, what's back there?
Wait, I'm confused.
Oh, it looks like it's like another entrance, kinda.
Looks like we got all of them.
Yeah,
This way.
I'm going. Nice. Find the trophy and head back to the car. What's wrong with these things? Sean, I'm the locksmith. You can trust me to open any of your doors. Ah!
Huh?
They know I'm here.
Don't trip them up. I'm right behind.
Alright, I'm hiding in a vent. Look, there's the trophy. Alright, I got the trophy, Sean. And now it's cleaned out.
Whoa. That was close.
Alright, let's get out of here.
On the table here.
Clack, 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 clack.
He's in there. Just wait a second.
Gosh, these guards are just awful. Alright, we can sound stairs?
Right here, Sam.
Wait, where?
Come on.
Oh, the back lot. Quick, get in the car! Alright, we're in the car. It only took 4 minutes.
5 minutes.
Well, yeah.
Cleaned out. Ben K. Albert. Prologue them all.
That's probably where we get the gentleman. Because the gentleman is something French.
Bank Albert.
Boys, friend
Boss
that can help dirty
friend.
criminals escape. ... Most friend has boat. Your friend can smuggle us out of the country. We may not be able to afford that kind of service. Doesn't matter. Bank across street. Bank has lots of money. Dirty criminals should act like dirty criminals. Rob the bank so you can pay a smuggler for transport. Ready? Yes.
Sam.
Whoa. What was that?
Did you hear me twice?
Yeah, I did. What did you what did you do?
Nothing.
Money. Hey there, what are you doing here? Oh, this is the dude without the teeth.
Oh, be careful, those are civilians. They're gross. Isn't it a disguise only temporary?
Yeah, and it runs out really fast if you run.
Oh well. Oh yeah, it runs out really fast. Oh, I should probably get going then.
That's why they call me Mr. Pickpocket. Because I'm a pickpocket. Hello there, sir.
How is your disguise still good?
I don't know, I've just been sneaking a lot.
Oh, it's like... Come over there. Like, is it worth running back towards you?
I don't think so. There's not really much else over here that we can get to.
Oh.
Hey, Mr. Coin Shop. Dear Mom and Dad, bad news. I got fired from my job at the prison. Oh, it's the same dude. After those thieves escaped, they acted like it was all my fault. You were the night watchman, they said. And they must have walked right past you, they said. Yeah, well,
Yeah.
I'm not paid enough to look in every little nook and cranny. We did walk right past him. When I hear something on a rainy night, anyways, I'm happy to be leading a civilian life again. I had to go back to my old job at the bank. Even if I don't have a lot of job security here, at least I know my money is safe. Oh, and thanks for sending me the cash. I just deposited it in my savings account, hoping to buy that koi pond for my backyard soon. Give my love to Estel. Love, your civilian son, Pierre. P.S. Send cheese. Aw, what a nice fellow. Too bad I don't have any cheese and we're planning on stealing his money. Hello there, sir.
Did not realize there was an alarm.
Sean, my disguise ran out and I'm completely behind enemy lines. Right, the ATM room. Gonna have to shoot some people up to get at this, Sean.
J'étais
Oh,
sûr
no.
d'avoir entendu quelque chose.
He saw me. Hurry. Everyone's dead, Sean. Alright. Well, maybe not
Damn.
everyone. I killed so
Where
many
is
people,
everyone?
Sean. A lot of them are dead in the ATM room.
You killed them all?
not, not all of
Tu
them,
vas là?
Oh,
but a lot of them.
Oh, et puis tant pis.
Oh, we have to go to the underground.
they all woke up when I walked in. We're good.
Run!
Let's get out of here. How do I use my thing? Is it click? Uh-oh, that's not...
That's why they call me Mr. Sneak. Because I'm sneaky.
They're just so involved.
Quoi? Hé, arrêtez-vous!
No, I'm not here.
Voilà.
Sam!
There's some walking money over Sean.
J'ai cru entendre un bruit. Quoi?
Dinkelberg.
J'ai tué! Quelqu'un ici?
Ah! Help me!
J'ai cru entendre un bruit, donc. Hein?
Ne bougez pas!
What does that sound?
Pas bien,
Oh yeah,
non.
it's him putting it... There are like 3 police officers in here, Sam.
Sean, you have no idea what just happened.
I do know what just happened. We both angered like groups
Y'a
of guards
quelqu'un ici?
at the same time. And I
Quoi?
see ya.
J'étais sûr d'avoir entendu un bruit.
I think there's a big safe somewhere.
Is this room clean? No,
Almost.
no,
There's a
there's not
civilian. There's a
I'll
civilian
head
with
in
some
here.
cash.
First. There's a civilian in there with money, dude. Go grab it.
Qui va
We
là?
have to clean it out. Okay, thanks for
Out of the
clearing
way.
out that area.
Hé, arrêtez-vous!
Si je t'attends. Oh! Quoi?
Uh-oh.
Oh! Je te tiens!
I don't have any guns left.
I also set up.
Just get the money, Sean. Out of my way!
No, I got it. I got it.
You did.
Je pense que c'est
Why
I
don't you say
told you
anything?
that I
pas
got
de
it.
toute façon.
I did.
Tué!
Did you? Out of his pocket?
What?
Quoi? Oh, et puis tant pis.
Alright, I'm going back in. So you just need to make
Yeah,
a run
okay.
for it.
Yeah.
Run!
They haven't resurrected him.
I don't have any guns left.
J'étais sûr
No
d'avoir entendu.
guns for me. Oh, there's.
Forgot. Okay, just chill. Just chill.
Let's
Let
wait
the
for
music
this.
settle down. Okay. No, but we haven't cleaned it out.
We haven't?
No,
Wait, where's the last bit of money?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, there's one left on the street level.
Great.
I
But
think if
this
you
is
push
the street level.
Yeah, so there must be one back here.
I see it.
Where is it?
This way.
Oh dear, they
Dude.
saw me.
Get in the thing.
I'm going.
Hopefully this
Wait,
guy
is it?
does.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Oh, et puis tant pis.
Alright, so if you snag that disguise, that'd be cool.
I don't need no disguise. Am I peeing? What's happening?
I'm-
Oh, that's the money.
Wait, we have so much money it's falling out of our pockets.
Ne me tuez pas!
Okay, let's just go. That dude's alerting the guards. This way, guys. Let's go.
I can't, Sean, I'm busy.
What? Peeing?
Yeah.
Je pense que ça devait être un chat.
Dude, can we just go? The
Yeah,
car
I'm
is
done.
ready.
Running. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me
No,
because I open
buddy,
doors
no.
faster than you. Yeah, all it took was
Look at
9
it,
minutes.
9 minutes. But we
Nice.
cleaned it out.
Man, your manor charge. And after the
Manoir.
fire. Oh, well, we're getting a lot of new stories.
Yeah, we are.